So once you have selected your template, you just click on it. And as you can see, it has places for you to put images, and you can move them around if you don't like exactly where they are, rotate them, whatever you want. Some of the templates also have text in them, and some of them come with a background already. It looks like this one's not showing up, but you can go and choose your own background. We'll cover that in just a minute. But for this tutorial, I'm actually going to create a blank glog so that we can see what it looks like from the beginning. So first, let's look at the Add tab. In here, you can insert links or upload files, grab images, videos, or audio clips. You can embed sources or even pull media from the web or YouTube or Flickr, or insert 3D models. So if I wanted to go to Flickr, I can select an image and click Add Image. It takes a second to convert it, but it'll pop up in just a minute. And so with this, you can also twist it around, rotate it however you want. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can move it wherever you want on the glog. You can even make this image the background to set it as your wall if you want. Or you can just keep it small and make it as one portion of your glog. So next we can add text. You can use traditional text in a heading such as this and double click to go inside the text box and add whatever text you want. Or you can use a paragraph form to go below that. Same thing, double click. Like that. You can also choose to use a text bubble. They have them lined out in themes like anatomy, art, biology, ecology. And you can select one of the themes and click on the image and then select Add to Text. And you can move it wherever you want within the glog. So again, you double click to go inside the text box. And with all of the text, you can change the font and the size. You can also change the color, make it bold or italicized, and you can change the position. So all kinds of fun things to do with that. Next, we can add graphics if we want. Again, they're classified by different themes, and each theme has a gallery of different graphics that you can choose from. So I'm going to click on the sunglasses and add graphic. And again, you can position it wherever you want. So we're just going to make this one cool parrot and put it right on top. So you can again rotate them or change the size if you want. And with any of these features so far, you can also add different effects to them, like a shadow effect, or you can add a link. So if I wanted to, let's say, add a link to the UNT library for whatever reason, then I would just find the link address and paste it in there. And now the sunglasses are linked to the library website. So if I click on the sunglasses, it will take me to that link, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go back into my edit mode. And then next icon allows us to select another image. So it has shortcuts to the images you've already used, or you can insert a link to an image, upload one, take an image, or use Flickr. So next you can add something to your wall. So like we talked about earlier, you can make a picture your wall, so you can select an image, or it has shortcuts to images you've already used. Or you can look in their gallery for different images that they have. Again, they are classified by subject. Or you can also just choose a solid color. So if I wanted green, then I select my color and then select close. So next, you can also upload or link or record audio. There's also a shortcut to upload, link, or record video. Or you can add a 3D model from their gallery selection here. You can also embed different sources by entering your embed code here. Or you can attach data from your device. So once you're happy with your glog, you can preview it by selecting the play button, or you can look at it in full screen mode if you have more stuff down here so you can see it all at once. And if you want to change anything, you just select the pencil and it takes you back into edit mode.